Okay, give you one guess what this car is. Got the big cat, 67 GTO. There's the, it's got the Pontiac block in it, Pontiac blue. I guess it's a 389. I mean, how would I know? I mean, the blocks are all the same, right? Pontiac's got all the same blocks. 389, 326. I don't know. I figure it's a 389. Blue rim radiator. I always like these with the headlights going like, you know, up and down. It's a nice color too. It's a nice color. It's not just clean, you know. And then you get your 4-speed and gauges. It's a very nice car, man. Pontiac motors are great, man. I always wonder why people used to put Chevy motors in Pontiacs. Oh, it's a Hearst. Hearst equipped. For a second, I thought it was a Hearst car. So, there's the cat. Oh, meow meow. That cat is funny. Look at that cat. Meow meow. It's not a real cat, but it's still cool looking. You need your rabies shot. See, if you bite me, I don't get rabies. If I get bit by a cat that size, I ain't gonna worry about rabies. Anyway, shit. Cat's got a collar on it. It's a nice car, man.